Hello, my dear students. Now we are going to learn Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskar is also known as the sun salutation pose. Is a warm up or tuning exercise and is considered the best of all yoga exercises. Surya Namaskar is a series of 12 physical postures which help improve strength and flexibility of the muscle. Surya Namaskar posture also warms up the body and tones the abdominal muscles. The asana sequence was first recorded as yoga in the early 20th century, though similar exercises were in India before that. For example, among wrestlers, the basic sequence involves moving from a standing position into downward and upward dog poses and then back to the standing position. But many variations are possible. The set of 12 asanas is dedicated to the solar deity Surya. In some Indian traditions, the positions are each associated with a different mantra. I am going to take you through each of these postures, help correct alignments, and tell you benefits of the each of these postures. First, make sure you are standing tall, your toes are pointing forward, your feet are parallel and directly below the hips. Roll your shoulders back, your chest is open, chin is parallel to the floor. Look at the point in front of you now. Breathe normally position. One your palms together and front of your chest, prayer position. Now we are going to take second position, position 2. Your arms are stretched. First take the time to really stretch the arms, lengthening both sides of the body and slightly arch back. Make it sure your head always remains in between your hands, your knees are locked. Now we are going to take position 3. Stretch all the way forward. Try and get your back as flat as possible and come down. Place your palm on either side or your feet and drop your head down. Now in this position, make sure your knees are locked and make sure that all the weights is evenly distributed on your feet so that the weight is not entirely on your heels. Now fingers and toes is one stretch line and now pick the right leg all the way back to position 4. Now let us go position number 4. Your knees on the mat, your foot flat, your hip is down, your chin is up, and your chest is open. Now just we are going to position number 5. You take the another leg back into a straight line. Your shoulder, your wrist is in one line. Your neck is in line with your spine. Your feet are together. Your heels are together. Now we are going to position number 6. Drop the knees down. Allow the hips to stay up. Bring the chest and chin down. Elbows are close to the body. Chin is on mat. Alternatively, you can also place your forehead on the mat instead of the chest, whichever you find comfortable. Now slide the chest forward through your heads, chin up. The minute you that flattening your feet to protect the lower back, bring the heels together, the inner thighs are squeezed together, your glutes are active, your back is slightly arched, your chest is open. Now we are going to take the position number 8. Tuck the toes, lift your hips up into the inverted V. Now inverted V, your hips are up. Once again, your knees are locked and your heels should try and reach the ground, but that is not essential. It depends on person to person, and your heels is between your hands, top of the head, trying to reach the mat, and your chest trying to come towards the thighs. Now position. Now 9 position. Bring the same right leg which you took back all the way forward, the chin up, knee down, put flat now. In this position, one of the most important thing to remember that your knees and your ankle are in one straight line. Sometimes the knees goes all the way forward. This places lot of stress on the knee. Always make sure your knee and ankle in one straight line. Your arms are flat. Now bring the other leg forward, stretch all the way down, drop your head down. Now position number 11. stretch your arms forward and come back up and arch head in between your hand. Now in position 12, both palms by the side of your body and relax. So one round of Surya Namaskara comprises of these 12 postures done entirely on right side and left side. So we just finish the right side, so we go through the left side. Once again, position 1, palms together position. Second, an arch. Third, position 3, stretch all the way forward and come down. Position your left leg back, chin up, head down. Position 5, into a straight line. Position 6, drop the knee, chest, chin. Position 7, slide the body forward and arch, making sure the heels are together. Position 8, tuck the toes, coming into a inverted V. V in position 9. Now bring the left leg on the way forward, chin up. Position 10, bring the other leg forward, stretching down. Position 11, forward and arch. And position 12, both palms by the side of your body and relax. The Surya Namaskara is very powerful practice, and that the tremendous benefits in doing the Surya Namaskara. But you do the Surya Namaskara with bad alignment, bad postures. The same Surya Namaskara can also be very harmful your body. To make sure you do the Surya Namaskara in a right way, it is good idea to do at least 12 rounds to do Surya Namaskara daily. One set consists of 2 rounds. However, beginners to this yoga practice, you could start with 2 or 4 rounds, then gradually go up to as many as you can comfortably to do, even up to 108 if you can. Ideally, the practice is done in set. Now the benefits of the Surya Namaskara: improves circulation, strengthen the neck and shoulder, arms, wrist, fingers, back, stomach, waist, abdomen, intestines, thighs, knees, calf and ankle. Gives the body rigorous workout, thereby reducing excess fat. Helps to tone your muscles and keep them lean and strong. Helps to relax your mind and reduces anxiety, fear, and restlessness, helps to build focus and achieve inner peace, and improve flexibility of the spine and limbs, improve postures and general effectiveness, improve the function of your all our internal organs, helps to calm your mind, giving you a good night sleeps. So do the practice of Surya Namaskara daily at home and stay healthy.